Hello all, welcome to MEA's e-learning channel. We are going to understand what is craft and history and development of craft. Craft is skillful creation of object. It involves making something with hand. It involves working with a wide range of material like bamboo, stick, clay, twig, wire, fiber, anything, but creating something which is having more utility value than the original form. It has been an important aspect of our culture. Craftsmanship has been passed on from generation to generation successfully. Craft also has an economic significance. To know more about craft, let us understand what role craft played during the Stone Age period. Craft had a significant role to play during the Stone Age period and in the lives of the early human beings. Craft was used to create tools and weapons out of the natural material available to the people then. The material available then were wood, or bones, or tree barks, or stones. And people used it efficiently to make material for hunting, for gathering, and also for protecting themselves from the predators. Other than this, there were also artistic and cultural significance of craft then. They used craft also to beautify their lives. It also created social and cultural norm, which laid a strong foundation for the complex society to come in later. Now let us move forward and understand the role played by craft when agriculture emerged. Craft has got a very important role for the development of agriculture in our lives. The tools and equipments required for farming were made by the craftsmen then. There was a specialization in making of the tools such as plows, sickle and hoes, which eased their process of tilling the land and also in the process of harvesting the land. The development of pottery also was marked during this period. The potters made huge jars which were used for storing the agricultural harvest, and it was also used for taking this harvest from one place to another safely. The artisans then also made artifacts which marked the early religion and social hierarchy. Let us understand what role craft played during the Industrial Revolution. As we all know, during the Industrial Revolution, there was a shift from handmade products to the machine-made products. There was a shift from less production to mass production. Here also, the artisans and the craftsmen have a major role to play. They used the knowledge of their craft in the development of machine. The expertise of the craftsmen played a very important role to make Industrial Revolution a success. Even if the production was on a mass scale, even if there was a shift from handmade products to the machine-made products, artisans continued to produce high-quality products for those who could afford to buy it, for those who knew the value of the handmade products. The demand for high-quality handmade goods continued to be high in national as well as international market. If we see, many early inventors and innovators were craftsmen themselves.